Aros Electronics is located just outside of Gothenburg. We are developing and manufacturing electronics and electrical motor drives for vehicle and industrial applications. Throughout the years, we have found that ASM is the perfect partner for us. ASM has developed from being, as we see at least, a pure SMD machine company to be a company with the production philosophy or production line concept in mind.
Together with ASM, we are using different type of products to solve a lot of our problems.
In the long run, we strongly believe in the philosophy coming out of the Industry 4.0, which is a very strong working principle that we actually intend to follow for the coming future.
With the ASM concept, we are able to run two different products in the same time in the dual lane systems. That makes it possible for us to borrow capacity from one lane to the other, but in the same time also during the changeover time, we can run with full speed on one lane. In the front of the printer, we have also a barcode reader. There it's verifying the right recipe is loading into the printer before the PCB is entering into the screen printing process. That way we control that we're always running the right recipe. And from that we are sending whisper down to the next machine, the recipe to SPR, the process lens systems. Our concept on the ASM machines, we are using 6 SX1 machines. One side we always have fixed setup, on the other side we are running family setups. 2 to 15 different products on the family setups. And the production lot is from 1-2 panel up to 200 panels. Even if you have the best machine in the world, if you don't have control over your material logistics inside the SMD department, you will not be able to have the benefit or flexibility of the machine. Therefore, we make the decision to go for ASM software. With the SIM software, we see exactly where we have the material and the quantity. With MSA software, we have a good control over all the productions order in the SMD department. With the ASM software, we have been able to reduce about 60% of all those topics, and we see still huge improvement on the utilization of the SMD lines. In the front of the SMD machines, we have software from ASM, Product Change Control. Together with our line software, we are communicating and sending in which product is entering in on each lane. And our line software tells the machines which recipe the machines shall use and automatically make a changeover inside the machine, the width, the pin support, and also the nozzle configuration. For the operator, the line monitor is a very important part because from that they can planning and see which action they need to run for pick and place machines, but also the screen printer, if they refill the material or need to change cleaning paper and so on.
Striving for highly automated processes makes it possible for us actually to meet our customer requirements in terms of productivity, quality and cost. This will really be our success story for the future.